I'll show you how we actually trade in the Forex market. So on the right side, you would be seeing Trading View. You could access this yourself and look how Trading View is on your device. On the left side application, this is a phone connected to my laptop. Right now, we would be trading gold, XAUSD, or you could be seeing it here on the top left here, and we would want to see gold here as well on our broker. So I'll just look for XAUSD and just click this. And then I'll click on this XAUSD and then click chart. So here, what you could be seeing is another chart. What I want you to look first, don't get overwhelmed right now. Check for this time frame. No? A time frame corresponds to what a single candlestick is. So one candlestick here means it is a 1 minute candlestick. Gumalaw siya ng 1 minute sa isang candle na to. And what you should be seeing or noticing is that the candle you see on TradingView is the same here on the trading app or MT5. Now, since we want to do speculation, we want to have a speculation that the price would go up. So let's say I would want to do a buy, or I want a speculation for the price to go up. So if I'm going to speculate that the price will go up, I would be simply clicking buy. You could be seeing it right here. Buy. Now, if this price, current price, no, is going down, you could be seeing right here on the left, it is just a small figure that the price, since it's going down, you're losing money. Now, how do you close that manually? You could close that manually by clicking your trade and then sliding this. Once you've done that, it is automatically reflected on your history that you lost $20. Okay, I'm just filtering it to XAUSD. Now, since it is going down, why don't we speculate that the price will go down? Hulaan natin na bababa siya. So, simply, we're just going to click sell. Okay, you're just going to click sell. And we'll wait for this current price to go down. So, nasa ng current price? The current price is here. No, pag bumaba yan here, we'll do or will make profits. This boxes here, there's a green and red zone. If the price goes down below the green zone, we should be in profit. Now, if it goes back up on the red zone, it should be a red or losing. Now, if it goes back to the red zone, magne-negative yung running balance mo. What if mag-speculate ako na bababa pa siya, dadagdagan ko pa yung position ko? So, I'll just click another sell. And if this goes down as well, I'll make more profits. I want to emphasize where the direction of the current candle, yan yung may horizontal line, if umangat yan and nakasell ka, you'll be seeing red dollars, meaning meron kang negative dollars na umaandar. Ngayon, you could only lose this if you close all your positions. What if you don't have time? The usual question is, do you need to look out for your trade? no? We have what we call stop loss. If we have a stop loss, it automatically closes for you, whether it is in profit or in drawdown, or you could be losing money. Okay, so I'll have this recorded, and I'll be showing you how the market goes. But this is just an example. No, we're losing even though the price goes up. Bakit? We're losing even if the price is going up. Why? Our speculation is the price is going down. Hence, we did a sell. This is the visual representation of that. So we just hit one of our stop losses. So right now you could see that it is highlighted in red, meaning na-tap yung stop loss natin. Okay? Ngayon meron pa tayong natitirang isa. So here, yung visual representation natin, naglagay ako dito ng SL. And if it hits this level, if it hits our stop loss, masastop yung loss natin, we would be seeing another loss here. But until then, until hindi siya magsarado sa sarili niya, we still have not closed in profit or in loss. Let's see. So right now, makikita nyo na we did have a drawdown, and ngayon nasa entry point na natin siya and nasa baba na. What I want you to look at is nasa blue na siya or nasa profit na. But again, until we hit our TP or SL, take profit or SL, the trade isn't done yet. So we have TP, take profit, SL, stop loss. Until it hits either the trade is still running. You could also see here, if we lose this trade, our stop loss is $104. If we win this trade, it is $138. So at this time, we don't have anything to do but just wait. Okay, so here, our trade closed on itself and we earned $138. We earned $138 from that one trade. We earned even though the price is going down because what we speculated was the price to go down. Hence, we would be selling or shorting a position.